after having a bit more look on the internet, I was wondering what actually clamped in there and what this is actually for. That comes off there. It goes into those two holes just so it makes the clamp nice and square. It's got a square face. All cleverly engineered stuff. Right, so that goes in there. You press that button, it goes down. When the button comes out, that actually locks that into place. So we can mark whereabouts we need that turning down. Looking a bit closer, the end of this clamping bar is in line with the centre of the little spring-loaded plunger. So if I tighten that into there, that should put a mark on there, which it has. That's the centre. So if I turn that down to just below there, and we'll try it back in. It's basically turned round. That would be enough of it. Try that in. That fits into there, and the little D-end's got it locked in place. Then once you tighten the screw in, that's it. Firmly home, going nowhere. All I'll do now is put a little chamfer on that edge just to tighten it up a little bit. Need to cut this off now and put some quarter whipworth threads onto it. For a measure. I don't know if you noticed a deliberate mistake there, but I've turned that too small just to make the video a little bit more interesting. We'll cut it off. Drill this, tap a quarter whipworth and then screw a quarter whipworth stud in, and we'll get the same result as we would have done if we'd not to turn too much off it. these things happen. Suppose when you're trying to run cameras and machine things at the same time. Send our drill first. Tapping drill on me chart for quarter Whitworth is 5.1mm. Believe it or not. It's more than enough. Wait, I've got a nice new quarter Whitworth top here. I've got no 1/4 inch bolt, so I'll have to thread a bit of 1/4 inch bar. As you can see, that's put a nice sharp thread on. I've been given some beautiful imperial taps and dies. Really good quality stuff, never been used, and they do cut really nice threads. So we can screw it into there, nice and tight to make it locked. I don't think I need to Loctite it. Screw it into there, cut that off, just face the end of the threads up, and that's me pulled out the shite, so to speak. I've had a look at one of the tripod setups. It actually needs one of these on first. That locks onto there. And there's actually a recess in there for that nut to pull into. That screws onto there. That tightens together. And then we've got no wobblies about. Once that screws in, been tightened up, that's it locked, rigid. And you've got your ball mount. This is actually a ball mount as well. It's a nice ball mount. Camera clips into the quick release plate like that. This is going to be a very handy mount because I can fasten it anywhere in the shop. There's loads of things I can clamp it onto. This camera has been absolutely amazing, doing a lot of work for me, a hell of a lot of work. I'm actually using the same camera but a brand new one to do this little bit of video with. So I've got a shot of the camera, looking at the camera, looking at the lathe. quite a simple little turning job to do here. It's just a roller. It's actually a little roller wheel for a trolley jack. I'm a little bit short on metal to get a proper hold of it in the chuck, so what I'll do, I'll centre drill it and put a centre in, machine the major diameter first, which is 55. It's got a step on this end, a step on the other end, and a hole through the centre. So the first thing is to machine this face flat, centre drill it and put a centre in. Set you above centre height, still above, that's better. Size we want is 55. I think this one's 60mm bar. I've seen with the caliper at 55, so if we measure it, that'll tell us exactly how much I need taken off it. 3.38. So we're down 1.5 in. That'll take the 3 off. That leaves us with 0.4. So I take 0.2. That should bring it down to size. So it's like putting quite a good finish on as the tool isn't working quite as hard. That's 200ths under, which is perfectly acceptable. There's a step gets machined on here. It goes down for 20mm and in for 3.5. just going to put a nice chamfer on the two edges. Right, I might as well drill this now and turn it around the machine in our end. It's important you keep pulling out and clearing the chips, otherwise it'll bind. Right, I'm going to part the excess off. I've got the carriage lock, I've got the parting tool on centre height. Yeah, mate. It's nearly as good as smoking this. Right, I need 1 mil off the face and then the step machine onto it. That's it done, nice straightforward, simple turning job.